Today we are making char-grilled pumpkin steaks with a butterbean curry and a beetroot salad. Let's get started. First things first, we're going to prepare the vegetables we need to make our curry base. Now at this point, we are not going to worry too much about how we prepare them because they are all getting blended together. So I've taken one onion, removed the skin, and I'm just very roughly chopping each side. And once that's done, I'm popping it to one side. Taking some garlic cloves next, I'm going to remove the skin and again, very roughly chop my garlic. Once that's done, popping it to one side and taking my fresh tomatoes, where I'm cutting them into quarters, discarding of the core and repeating this process for 4 more times. Once that's done, I'm going to pop that to one side and get ready to prepare my pumpkin. I'm going to cut my pumpkin into 3 different steaks, remove the skin, and we're char grilling on both sides until it's ready to be popped into the oven and cooked until golden. Now into my pan, I'm adding onion, garlic, ginger, curry leaves, spices, different aromatics, fresh tomato, cashew nuts, and I'm sweating this down. I'm cooking this further until I'm adding in some stock. I'm reducing this again until it's ready to be blended completely. Now I'm adding my butter beans back in until we're ready to get onto our plating. Into my bowl, I'm adding my butterbean curry, our cooked golden pumpkin steaks, and I'm finishing it off with my beetroot, fresh tomato, fresh coriander, zesty salad.